Welcome. In front of me I have Realme GT, and today I will make the face unlock test. Let's check how this biometric setting works. So let's make a few unlocks. Wow, so as you can see, it's super fast. It's even faster than the fingerprint sensor that you can find on the screen. And honestly, I think that it's the fastest recognition that I have ever used in any smartphone. I mean, we can compare it to Xiaomi Mi 11 or Oppo Find X2 Pro. Yeah, it's definitely faster than the fingerprint sensor, and one of the fastest that you can find in every smartphone. Whoa, I'm surprised, honestly, guys. As you can see, it's just like flash. It's amazing. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.